One of the fun things about true residential luxury refrigeration is all the options you get with it. You can work with any of our curated colors, for example, the matte white and the gold that are shown here, and you can combine different pieces to create whatever look is right for your family. What we're showing here is our dual zone 30-inch wine column, and it is standing independently from our side-by-side, but with a joining kit, you can create an entirely different look by having a continuous grill across the top and a continuous toe kick across the bottom. So whatever look and feel you're looking for, we're able to provide that with true residential luxury refrigeration. If you want to see it in person, the best place to go is Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center's luxury beautiful showrooms with locations in Calabasas, Studio City, South Coast Plaza, Costa Mesa, and Torrance, California. Thank you so much.